We're recording the sewer line here at 3222 8th Avenue West. The date is September 23rd, 2020. I'm making this recording from the inside clean out here in the basement bathroom of the home. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main, approximately 90 feet out there. We'll get a little more accurate. Here, I can set this video is for you guys, so if you got questions, ask away. About 90 or so feet out there. We're getting a little bit more accurate distance as we come back. So I've zeroed out the footage there, so you can see in the bottom left corner of the screen. And we are going to make our way back slowly. I'll clean up in here before I get out of here too. So coming back into 6-inch diameter clay pipe. This is running out underneath 8th out there. Probably getting pretty close to the sidewalk. Making our way back. So far so good. Seam every 2.5 feet or so. Those seams are the weak spots in the pipe, but so far the ones that are out under the road look good. So coming around a turn here, where we're dropping into that larger diameter, and we're transitioning back to concrete now. You see a large root there at the top of the pipe, taking up maybe half the diameter. So I'm going to pause briefly and go locate this spot.
Okay.
Yeah, coming out of the top part of that seam. It's infiltrated. Okay, we've located this turn in the spot where the root is, some 26 feet back or so from the main. I believe we're coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. I did see a rock right there.
Yeah, that's something though.
Yeah, this looks like 4-inch diameter to me. So we're gonna go back to that spot and zero out our footage. There it is, right there. Okay. So 26 feet of 6-inch pipe, diameter-wise, heading down towards the main. So I'm going to zero out our footage there. We know how much 6-inch we've got. Coming back into 4-inch diameter now. And concrete. Switch material. Yeah, just some fibrous chunks there. Rotate us so we're back on the bottom. And that would be my assumption of where the kitchen line is coming in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you see it coming around there?
Yep. And I believe you got some downspouts on that side too, so that's why we're getting water in through there.
Yes.
Yep. Let me do we're going to locate that spot as well. So pausing again. Okay, we've located that spot where that kitchen line comes in. So pipe starting to degrade right there at that seam. I see a little bit of it there.
Put a mask on.
Here.
Let's see what happens when you flush.
Sorry.
So coming back kind of around that turn that's angling around the side of the house there right here. Double check that map. I want to make sure nothing's coming in on the back side of that turn.
Is that the camera?
That is the camera.
It went all the way out to the street.
It's attached to the line that Mr. Casey has. He's pulling it in. This is where the camera is.
So up in that upper left, it's kind of hard to see, but that's another downspout line that doesn't appear to be functioning because I don't see any water coming out of it.
There was a downspout.
There was a there doesn't, but we've got a.
Did you remove it?
It's still there, but we have it
don't have
lined.
a gutter.
We push the water out into the next door.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay.
I
So it's not using this anymore?
It is correct.
Gotcha.
No.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah, it's just going into the dirt now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Maybe with the new drain, when we did the extension, we didn't. But is this all good then? I mean,
it's
It's
intact.
aggregate,
It's very aggregate, and what happens is as the water goes through, and you've had 70, 80 years of water going through it, it's wearing out the bottom of the pipe. And as it wears out the bottom of the pipe, eventually it wears to the point where it's going over dirt, and I think that's what happened over here.
right.
And then if that dirt erodes away underneath the pipe, and the pipe just falls apart. So it just doesn't have anything holding it up structurally. So you guys are in good shape now if you wanted to do like lining now, because you have intact pipe. If you wait till it breaks, then you're forced to dig it up where it's broken, because
right.
you're adding additional excavations on.
Well, that's why I was hoping that we could get an estimate on
Yeah, the whole
this.
shebang.
I call it a sleeve. What do you call it? A
Liner.
Liner.
Same difference.
Yeah, a liner for this section as
Yep.
well. Which you can get to if you dig up that front part, right?
Yeah,
And
so we could
replace-
line both from that same hole.
Okay.
It would be the idea.
One hole, yeah.
So really, kind of taking your estimate, it's the adding of the lining to what you have given me, because you didn't include a lining for this part, just the lining
Just
for
the
that
lining for the
part.
kitchen side.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. But the rest of it would be pretty much the same, wouldn't it? Or
This is a turn in, so it's good.
Something's coming in the back side of this.
So that, I'll tell you what that is, that's
So-
the back drain.
That would probably require a second excavation back here. Now it doesn't show anything on the map coming in, so we're sitting like right here right now.
Yep, yep.
It doesn't show anything on the map coming in the backside, but obviously something is, because we've got water flying down
Wait, well,
there.
what about this? Oh,
This one? That's
no,
the one
this-
you guys abandoned.
This. Yeah. So, but
Well,
that one exists right now. That's right outside of Catherine's, because that's what she listens to all the time. Or maybe
No,
she listens
she's
to listen to that
listening
one.
to this one, and also going over the thing here. What we've got down, this is where our deck is, and we've got a downspout coming down here. We can go and take a look at it. I mean,
Yeah,
the
let's go
there's a downspout.
Yeah, I'm
downspout
gonna locate
there.
the spot while we're out there as well.
Let me just put some
Okay. Pausing the video again. Okay. Resuming the recording again. We should be coming back into cast iron pipe here right about now.
Yep.
There we go. That's the cast. We generally leave the cast alone in these projects. This stuff lasts forever. So there's a little bit of plastic, so somebody's done a little plumbing work here at some point on these drain lines. And then we're coming out of the clean out there. So there's the access we used for today's video. And the recording there. I got all the information I need for the bid.